This system captures the energy typically lost during braking and returns it to the battery. Regenerative braking increases the range of electric cars and enhances their overall energy efficiency. Many EV manufacturers, such as Tesla, are integrating autonomous driving technologies into their vehicles. Self-driving cars could revolutionize transportation by reducing accidents, improving traffic flow, and increasing accessibility. With innovations in battery technology, charging infrastructure, and autonomous driving, electric cars are set to lead the charge in the future of transportation. Several automakers have already entered the electric vehicle market with exciting models. Here are some of the most popular EVs. The Tesla Model 3 has become one of the most popular electric cars worldwide. It offers a range of up to 358 miles and is equipped with autopilot for semi-autonomous driving. Tesla's supercharger network allows for fast charging, making it a convenient choice for long trips. The Nissan Leaf is one of the most affordable electric cars available. It offers a range of 150 to 226 miles and is perfect for city driving. It also features advanced safety systems and a comfortable interior. The Chevrolet Bolt offers a range of up to 259 miles, making it one of the best value electric cars on the market. It has a compact design and offers plenty of space for passengers and cargo. The Ford Mustang Mach-E is an all-electric SUV that combines performance and utility. It offers a range of up to 300 miles and is available in multiple performance variants, including the GT version, which offers 459 horsepower. From the performance-focused Tesla Model 3 to the practical and affordable Nissan Leaf, the EV market is expanding with options for every driver.